Do you know that on Windows 11, there's a way that you can have multiple desktops, like can be working on different things independently. And if someone else wants to use your PC, you can have another desktop for them so that they will not disturb you. This one is not using different user, but the same user. Do you know that? It is called virtual desktop. How do you access it? You press Windows button and tab. All right. Look at it at the bottom. Windows button and tab. You look, this is desktop one, this is desktop two, desktop three. You see, you can click as I'm clicking. You look at this is 6 desktop, right? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You look at that. And then I believe it's more than that. This is 6, I can have 7. So all these ones are virtual desktops. All right. Take for example, let me just open this Chrome. I open Chrome here. Let me open everything, this app as well. You see this two app. Then this is a shortcut down here. The icon is down here. So I'm going to 2. Look at there's nothing here. Right. So let me open this Microsoft Edge here. It has opened here. All right. You look at nothing here. Exactly. So you can have as many as possible. So let me come back to desktop one. Look at it. So if I'm working here and someone wants to use PC, I don't want the person to disturb what I'm doing. I can just come to, okay, you use whatever I want to do it here. All right, that is it. The extent you can use it depends on your imagination. But sometimes the virtual desktop might not be maybe like turned on, maybe it is off. There's a way that you can turn it on. And how you do that, you go to settings. And you go to settings, this is a shortcut, Windows button plus I. That is settings, shortcut. Windows button and I. And if you don't want to use this, you can click on Windows logo and here's the settings here. It's the same thing. Next is to come to personalization, yeah. Then to taskbar, yeah. And this is it here, task view. Is on. So if I turn it off, watch this as I turn it off. You see that it will disappear. It's gone. Yeah, it's gone. So if yours is off, if it is off, you can turn it on. It will be back. And that is it. So if you don't want to use, that is Windows button and tab, this Windows button and tab, in order to pop it up, you can simply just click on it here. Yeah, it's as simple as that. It is an extremely helpful tool, especially if you work on multiple stuff. So this will allow you to work neatly. And if there's someone that wants to make use of your PC, you can just let the person, make use of, just open a new virtual desktop for the person to use. Yeah, it's a PC.